But the floor is yours, guys. You're welcome to say a few words if you feel that way. Now's your time.
In all my aspiration of being at Council, Arda, Outdoor,
And surrounding.
and surrounding. But the team is what it is. We are a good team. We can only inspire and move forward and make it better. There is slips and bounds and whatever that is going without saying. But we can only learn from that. But our inspiration in all our endeavors in what we achieve for now is what you can see and look back. Guys, man, put it there. You know, we did it. That's where you are here. And we can still, the plant is still running. Without us there being there. Really?
Shots fired.
We go to work and go sleep and wait for a call. Yeah, I go sleep.
Wait, at work?
Yes.
At work, wait, oh. So Moses, what are you? Are you a technician now?
No, but the thing is,
Also, we got it on video now, eh?
now you can have it on video. I sleep at work. I sleep at work because I have to sleep, because I have to be ready.
For what?
For the phone when it rings. I have to be on script.
Yeah, but if you don't hear the phone, then it's a problem.
Nah, the phone works.
Phone is af.
Die happen is in the earplugs and the phone line. Okay, Moses, you finished now. You still want to say?
Yeah, but the halo's still there. I still have Arda's cap on. And remember, my promising manager. It doesn't mean we are of or beyond or whatever. We still the same. We work together. We strive together. We
Burn together.
exactly.
Hell.
Thank you, Moses.
Anybody else?
Juju, did you want to say something? Juju? Is and Dennis is not here. The epic charger? Come on. Juju,
The epic charger and 2IC.
yeah, but I mean, Julius, it takes over when he comes.
Het is een goede imagination.
Voor je moet nog afzien. Als je laatste zou moeten. Where's your bamboo? Where's your bamboo? Tonsil. And my Winnie?
So he can't talk, you need to speak for him, bro. You couldn't talk anyway.
I see, but you're feeling it, that's alright.
Okay, put the cap on.
You want now?
Now
Now you are now, you must
As
talk.
they say, Brahmo, the head wearing the crown is heavy.
Hey, yo!
I could say. But on the part of the students, we would like to say thank you for the knowledge that we have received, although we have been difficult through the year.
Through the year?
Some don't have years, so I would stick to year.
Give me a hearing,
And thank you for enduring us and the challenges and everything. And I hope the teamwork can carry on as it was and as it is for the next few years, and appreciate each other. And please be patient with us. I know we can be difficult at sometimes.
Put the cap on Joseph.
Is he the only one here?
This is right. 2 months experience, so first 2 months, man.
This is the only EP that start half past 7. Huh? Half past 7? Yeah. Office hours.
Not below the belt now, man.
But you forget he goes home at opposite 7 also.
Vipers, don't let us bring up Belleville's troubleshooting squad here.
The managers.
Thanks for nice 2 months. I've been working here. Thanks for receiving me as a
a family and as a team. It's really nice working with you, but always sometimes it's work.
Ik kan zien trekken.
I've learned a lot in these 2 months. And yeah, I just can say thank you and let's keep it up.
Yeah, Joseph's going to ask you the question. Joseph, from where you come from, right? Your experience as where you are now. Give your real experience as what you are facing, what you are facing. The tenacity of the whole aspect is being brutalness of the brutalness.
Those are gaan gewoon in de dictionary aan.
Because
In one word, Ronald.
Yeah, the answer can be one word.
If you can sum it up.
Okay, let me sum it up. Okay, they bas is just dust. Yeah, but you guys is dust and seed.
There's 2 words.
Double the trouble.
You got to heat up the dust.
What dust?
Yeah, but anyway, continue.
They're by my side. I used to work, maybe no problem alone. Yeah, when you have a problem, the whole team is there. So it's lekker man, it's lekker. It's nice. Yeah.
Lekker man! Hij is toch op luisteren. Hey man.
I think it's only fitting and
So
fair.
that's the new slogan now. Arda is lekker.
I think it's only fitting and fair if we give Ronald also a chance.
Yeah, I think that's
Wait. I actually don't know what to say because I've been working with
those
you
are how
guys
it flows now.
for close to 18 years. Or is it 18 years plus? And well, I've learned a lot from you guys and you guys. I'm talking about the older ones.
Yes, we
now,
learned a lot from you.
And,
you must
you know,
move on
it's
now.
vice
Going with
versa.
that saying, going with that saying.
So I sort of actually miss all your troubles that you guys have nowadays. But I know I'm still informed. Some guys still come
when
to
the
me.
trouble get real, bro.
Yeah, still guys. I mean, some guys still come to me. So I'm not away from the plant, but I have actually moved on. I must say that to you guys. So yeah.
That's why you still here.
Yeah, but the thing is,
They say they will
this
be
has
like
been,
that.
this is my family, as everybody has said. This is a family, and this is my family. And,
Amen.
and I'll always be with you guys.
Amen.
Doesn't matter where. Even if I have to retire, I'll still remember you guys as part of my family, because I've been with people for 18 years, and with them almost say maybe 12 to 16 hours a day sometimes. It is sort of a lifetime, as you say, yeah. So yeah, so it's been quite a while. I mean, quite the journey with you guys, and I enjoyed it. And thank you guys for being so nice to me.
What you thought?
Ronnie,
Are you taking questions, Ronnie? Are you taking questions?
I still do that.
Ronnie
I'll
can't
still
help
do
it,
that.
man. It's technology. It's making noise.
Remember, he
Response,
had it
struck an
signed into his
alarm.
contract. I'm not willing to come in, but I'll take the call.
But
You
now
can
Ronnie
phone
did
me,
take the
but
call.
don't ask me to come
When
in.
I just started shift, I phoned Ronnie 3 in the morning. I phoned him, he answered. I helped me with the problem.
His wife wakes him
Now
up.
we're just waiting for Mr. Patrick to say.
You guys have said
I
everything.
will phone you 4:30 in the morning and say, Patrick,
Come now.
That Patrick knows. He also phoned me the other day, and I answered the phone.
Yeah, no, things takes time. He's very
Yeah, his standbys
The
were
rest of
incoming.
his people didn't want to answer the phone.
The standbys didn't want to come in.
Kan
hem met zachtjes trekken, die klankers hier zo op is.
Old age equipment and stuff like that.
Ah, wat ik
Need
word
the legacy of other people.
Most of
We need to.
Hij zei, dat belly mannen, dat belly mannen.
only realized now you got the shift.
Yeah, 4 machines down, 4 machines down. Alright, code name. Bravo Echo. Yes, guys, like a lot was said, and I can only echo the sentiment. I think We truly a close-knit team, and like I've said in years gone by, we people in this circle is chosen for a reason. Everybody plays a role, and everybody has got strengths and weaknesses, and that's why we complement one another. That complementation is what makes us a strong unit. You can be proud of the contribution you make on a daily basis. Obviously, besides Sivambo and that. Not with tea time, then, I mean, you wouldn't know they're there. So nevertheless, Shots
like
fired! Everybody plays a part in this team, in the success of this team. The task of this team is not an easy one. We cover a big scope. We've got a lot of responsibility, and what is always encouraging is the fact that we can find time to make light of things, because that helps us cope. And it's necessary, because our job comes with a lot of responsibility and a lot of stress. So we cannot be successful if it's not for everybody that forms part of this team, and that we truly appreciate. I appreciate on a daily basis. I might not say it often, but and it might feel like sometimes, you know, people think, yeah, I'm just here to get sent somewhere, but it's not that. Sometimes if you get sent, it's because you're the most competent. It's not just because you're available. And sometimes you get sent because we send you deliberately because you need to go learn the hard way. There's reasons behind everything. So whether you sometimes appreciate that or not, trust me, we don't do things willy-nilly. There's a lot of logic to what we do. You've got a lot of experience in your leadership. Ferdy, Muhammad, now Sean that's added, Daryl, Eddie is always somebody we can lean on. And he leans on us, especially when he's in Africa. What is die op die Emma? You know? And I mean, that is just what makes us tick as a team. The Ronnie with his banter and standing behind us. You know, Ronnie and we used to have Scully. Those were the two guys, the senior guys in the team. Whether I be in charge, we still have people. That doesn't mean because you're in charge or you take the leadership role, you know everything. Like I tell you every day, you guys know more than me. I don't know half as much as you. Okay, and that is a fact. But what I do know is what your strength and weakness is. That's my job. I don't have to know how to fix a transformer or how to program a microchip. But if I do, it's a bonus. Maybe I do, maybe I don't. You will never know what I know. Okay?
Right.
The reality is, guys and girls, we are a strong team. We deal with a lot of complex issues. We're strong for a reason. And that makes us always grow from year on year. That being said, we've long past focused on downtime for us as a team. Years gone by, everybody was focusing on their little pocket of downtime. Downtime is engineering's problem. So whether we allocate the downtime to electrical, I say, man, give everything to electrical, doesn't matter.
Wow.
It's not about who gets the downtime, it's the fact that we have the downtime. We should eradicate that. So next year, we've got a big project in B2, small is big, but what makes it big is the fact that we don't have time. We've got no time to prepare, we've got no time to set up everything the way we want to. We've got to do a lot of things that will make that line run for the next 10 years. And that's going to be a challenging 45 days. Trust me. We're going to work
45 days is not long.
It's not long.
The rebuild feels forever.
Rebuild is going to start after the third week. So that's going to be a tough rebuild because it's going to really push you to the limit. This time around, B3 was a joke. This one, I'm really going to drive you. Not for anything, because remember, we have to live with this line for the next 10 years. So, if we don't do what we need to do during that window, we're gonna shit
For 10 years.
10 years. So I need everybody's input and everybody's help to get that done. So don't, hoe sê hulle in Afrikaans, moenie lui wegstukkie. Jy gaan jou sien. Alright? So we will get through it like we always do. But it doesn't come without pain.
Nee, life has its challenges, so
Yeah.
it's just going without saying.
So all I can say in conclusion is, guys, thank you for a great year. Have a good festive season with your friends and your families. Be safe, take care of one another. And whatever you do, those who are taking leave, who's going away, who's traveling, come back in one piece. Make sure you don't take unnecessary chances. You know, don't throw a double if you can take a single. If single makes you drunk, throw a double, but don't go for a triple.
Nee, gaan vir die triple en gooi 'n Uber.
No, but now see, that is once again the responsibility. No? So
Hy is by hoofkantoor
in a
weer.
nutshell, this is a bit way. Yeah, that's allemaal af of December. So we have to do that. Take care of each other, take care of your families, take care of yourself, and that way we can take care of one another. Alright? But thank you once again for all your effort this year. I really appreciate it. I hope you've learned something this year, which is the most important thing. Because if we don't learn, we die. Alright? Take
Nee, maar
care,
mooi.
take care of what we have.
Alright.
Right, let's go and drink thing. Oh, long.